or percentage prescribed by SEBI. And SEBI has prescribed that application money should not be less than 25% of the issue price. Okay, so as per the rule, that money should be 5% of the face. It is written face value. So let's say if the share price is the face value of a share is 100 rupees, then you should ask at least 5 rupees, okay, on application. And you can also ask more than that, but you can minimum ask 5 rupees. And there is one more condition. Yes, there is one more condition is the percentage prescribed by SEBI, and SEBI has prescribed that application money should not be less than 25% of the issue price. This is less than 25% of issue price. Here it is said issue price means if the share price is face value is 100 and the share is issued at 120, then we have to take 25% of 120. Okay. So this is our minimum application money. Okay. So I told you about the lump sum payment method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what have we already discussed in our previous classes? Colson,
So we discussed minimum subscription.
Minimum subscription and presentation in balance sheet, process of incorporation. After that, yes, working note. Actually, this working note is related with the amount payable in installment method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we have to do the journal entry for amount receivable in lump sum. Okay. Okay, I think you remember the concept that when we receive the money in lump sum, then what is the journal entry?
So it is bank account debit to share application and allotment account.
Okay, and the second entry?
So it is share application and allotment account debit to share capital.
Yes, so we know the concept of journal for lump sum and installment also, because we have already discussed the installment method. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in lump sum method, there can be a call scenario or not.
No.
Yes.
It cannot be.
You said no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the answer is correct. Actually, you look like you are not sure.
Yes, sir. I was doubtful.
Okay. So actually, when amount is in lump sum, then if you do not pay the full money, then they will not allow you the share. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So is there any chance that you can default the money?
No, sir.
So that's why in lump sum method, there is no policy in area for advance.
Okay, sir.
Now, area or policy in advance. So this is our lump sum method. Now, in lump sum method, share can be issued at par, at premium, or discount. Yes?
Yes, sir.
No, actually, no. We cannot issue share at discount. So share can be issued at par or premium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what does it mean by share issued at par, at premium, or discount?
The share issued at par means it is equivalent to the value of the money, I mean the money call. But in premium, it is charged extra, and in the discount, it is charged less.
We charge extra money from the shareholder and discount. We charge less from the shareholder. Yes.
So your voice is breaking.
My voice is. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
So, am I audible to you clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I'm saying that when we issue our share at par, it means we are issuing the share at the same price. Yes, at the same price, which is the face value of share. Okay. When we issue our share at premium, it means we are selling our share at a higher price than their face value. And at discount, generally, we don't issue our share at discount. But when we issue our share at discount, then it means we are giving share at a price which is lower than the face value.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, why we do not issue our share at discount? We have talked about this, yes?
Yes, sir.
But you don't remember.
So is it not profitable for the firm?
No, actually, profit is not a concern here because yes, we can issue our share at discount, but the losses in the beginning is can be written off in future. Don't know.
Sir.
Any logical explanation you can think of? Apart from profit. No? Okay. So let's say you are a new company, okay, and you have created You have a company, a new company, and you want public to invest money into this company. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first thing that comes in your mind to sell your shares to the public, because we need at least 90% subscription. Yes, minimum subscription.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the first thing that will come to your mind, if you want to sell 90% of your share, then what will you do?
The charge lower prices for these shares.
Yes, this is the basic trick that is utilized from many decades to fool customers actually.
Okay, sir.
Yes, actually a
Yes,
discount in the actually view of customer, it looks like discount, but it is not actually. Okay, you will find it later, but it is not actually a discount. Okay, so this is the first thing a company will do when they want to sell their shares. Now, if it is possible that we can issue our share at discount, then we can easily get 90% subscription. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so if the share price is 100 rupees and we are selling it at 50 rupees, then leave 90%, we will get a subscription of 500%.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in this, there is no merit of your company that is attracting the investor. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So government want company to do something that will attract customer apart from giving them discount. So you have some merit, then you can attract customer. You can not use some tricks to attract customer to invest in your company. So that's why government has discontinued the issue of share at discount. In past, it is going on, but right now it is not applicable.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you understood the reason behind why we don't issue our share at discount.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, there is one situation, actually, there is a section 53, which says that a company cannot issue its share at discount. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So a company cannot issue its shares at discount. Now, it can be sold in market later, but company cannot sell it at the beginning. Okay, like I have purchased a share at rupees 10, and now the company is in loss, so I can sell it at 8 rupees, but company cannot sell it at 8.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so company cannot issue its share at discount except conditions or situation given in section 54. Now, section 54 says that a company can issue its share to employees at discount. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it is called sweat equity shares. So this is the condition for issue of share to the employees. Okay, now share can be issued at par, at premium. Now this is not applicable here. This is the example. At par means same price, at premium means higher price. Now premium is a profit. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Premium is capital nature profit for the company. Okay, so what does it mean? When we issue our share at a higher price than our face value, then it is called premium, and premium is capital nature profit for the company. But one more, what is the utilization of this premium? Actually, where we can utilize the amount of premium. There is a section given for this. Yes, section 52, subsection 2. Okay. Now, I already told you that capital nature profit can be utilized for capital purpose only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you think of anything where premium can be utilized?
Can will be used in the reserves?
Reserves.
Yes, sir.
Which kind of reserve?
The capital reserve.
Capital reserve. Actually, security premium. Premium is also called security premium. Okay, and it is used as a separate reserve, security premium reserve. So the money of premium is written in that. Okay, and we
Okay,
can
sir.
only utilized for capital nature expenses or losses, like discount on issue of share, discount on issue of shares. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Buyback of shares. Do you know what is buyback?
So is it buying the share sold?
From the shareholders, yes, in the open market. So buyback of shares, writing of premium on redemption, issue of bonus share, okay. So like this, there are many things, many capital nature expenses or losses, writing of preliminary expenses, and issuing share at discount is already discussed, buyback of share, issue of bonus share, writing of premium on redemption. So these are our capital nature expenses or losses where we can utilize our premium. Okay, so premium, apart from these things, premium cannot be utilized anywhere else. Okay, you have to remember this line because it will come again in our class. Okay, it will be repeated. So at that time, I will ask this question to
Okay, sir.
you. Okay. So premium cannot be used or cancelled. You can say that. So premium once received cannot be cancelled. Premium once received can be utilized for the said purpose only. Okay, it cannot be utilized for any other purpose. It cannot be cancelled.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have written these.
Sir, could you show the section 53 in part?
This is the first part.
Yes, sir, I wrote that.
You have written these.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, yes, sir, done.
Okay, so premium also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our concept of premium, discount, and at par. Now the journal entry. So when we receive a premium in case of lump sum basis, then what will be the journal entry? You have written the journal entry, I think.
Sir, I think
No?
so. Sir, I don't,
Yes.
sir, I don't think I wrote it, but I can tell.
Okay. Okay. So the first entry will be for application money received. And in this case, total money received. So application money is also full money. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for application money received, the journal entry will be bank account debit to share application and allotment account. This entry you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this amount received, we have already received the premium amount also. So for transfer of application and allotment money to share capital. To share capital. So the next is share application and allotment account debit to share capital and to security premium reserve account. Securities premium reserve account. So this is our journal entry. Now, why security premium reserve account is credited here? Because it is a capital nature profit, and as per nominal account rule, profit is written on the credit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is our journal entry for lump sum method. Actually, you have written the simple entry for this, but in this entry, we have included the premium also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I wrote it down.
Good. Okay. The next topic is journal entry for payment in installment. Actually, we will discuss these two topics. After that, we will solve a question. Okay. So, the receipt of money in installment, and in that case, premium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I think you remember all the journal entry for installment method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what if there is security premium?
Sir, it will come in the due entry.
Yes, it will come into the due entry. You can see here also it is along with due entry, not receipt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, we have to see that with which installment premium is payable. And in that entry, we will pass premium entry along with due.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So premium can be along with application, premium can be along with allotment, first call or final call, or premium can be uh, along with two installment. Like on application, some part of premium is on application, some part of premium is on allotment also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is these journal entries. I think you have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, should I write the premium entry?
No, sir.
Okay, what about call scenario?
So the journal entries.
Yes,
So should I tell the journal entries?
yes,
Okay, so so there are two methods when we open call scenario account and we do not open. So when we do not open, it will be, for example, share application account debit to share. Yes, sir, I'll take a different example. So share allotment account debit to share capital account. Here the value total amount called will be written, and then share so then bank account to share allotment account. Here the amount not received will be deducted from the total amount and that will be written. And in
in bank
case
or share allotment, both.
sir, in both.
Okay,
Sir, and then when we open call scenario account, it will be share application account debit to share capital account, the total amount called, and bank account debit, call scenario account debit to share capital. Uh,
to share
to
allotment.
share allotment. And here
Okay.
in the share allotment, the total money called will be written. In the bank account, the money received will be written, and in the call scenario, the money not received will be written.
Yes. So you understand very good this part, like journal entry in installment method. Very good. One more thing you have to remember that That's why I think you changed the example you have taken. One thing we have to remember is call scenario cannot be along with application.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why you changed the example.
Yes, sir.
And what about calls in advance? It cannot be with the last call.
Last call. Yes.
Okay, so this is our basic concept. Now let's discuss a question. Actually, I have given you in previous class a question for this. Yes. Okay, let's take a question here. It will be take less time to create a question than find. Okay, so first of all, let's say A Limited issued 5 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. On application, it is 2. On allotment, it is 5. Along with premium, not along with, including premium. Including premium of rupees 2 and balance on first call. Now, X, a shareholder, X who has 1,000 shares did not pay the allotment. And Y, who has 5,000 shares, has paid all the amount on allotment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, the main problem here is the calculation part. Okay. If you do the calculation easily, then the question will be easy for you to solve. Now, first of all, working note number 1, we have to do a calculation. So we will write, first of all, application. Application. Okay. And application is 2 rupees. So on 5 lakh shares, it is 2 rupees. There is no adjustment on application. So we will write the application amount here. Now allotment. 5 lakh. Can you tell me the allotment amount, allotment money per share?
Sir, with or without premium?
Only allotment.
3 rupees.
3 rupees. So it is 15 lakh. When I say allotment allotment money, it means without premium.
Okay, sir.
Premium 5 lakh into 2. It is 10 lakh. So total allotment money is 25 lakh. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me that our calculation for allotment is completed or not? We have to do any add or less here, or it is completed?
So it's not completed.
Okay, so what we have to do now?
The call scenario.
Okay,
10,000
so we
shares.
have to deduct call scenario.
Yes, sir.
On 1,000 shares at the rate ₹3.
The 5.
5. Okay, so 5,000 here.
Yes, sir.
And now it is completed. Yes.
The calls in advance also.
Okay. How much?
On 5,000 shares. It's paid all the money.
5,000 shares. And
So could you scroll up? So will it be 8 rupees?
₹8.
Yes, sir.
How?
So because application money he would have already paid. So in the allotment, he will pay the allotment money and the first call money.
Okay. So on allotment, he paid all the amount. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So application money is already paid.
Yes, sir.
Before allotment, it is already paid. Yes.
Yes, sir. So only the first call amount.
Yes. So only the first call. What will be the amount?
So it will be 5 rupees.
₹5 because allotment money, this ₹3 is already included here.
Yes, sir.
So we will take only final call, that is ₹5, so 25,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is final. So we have to add this. It will be 25,20,000. After that, share first call. Share first call. It will be 5 lakh into 5, 25 lakh. And we will deduct the calls in advance here
Yes, sir.
because we have received this 5,000 into 5 at the time of allotment, so we will not receive it here. So it is 24,75,000. Is it complete? We will write the final amount here.
Yes, sir.
There is one more calculation, calls in area.
On the 1,000 shares.
Yes. So these are the things that we get confused because we have done one adjustment, so we forget about second adjustment that should be done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the journal entry part. First entry is very simple. Let me prepare the format. Actually, format is required every time. Okay. No, I don't prepare the format all the time, but sometime we have to present the question as per a specified format. Okay, so date, particular, LF, debit amount, and credit amount. So the first entry will be bank account debit to share application account.
Yes, sir.
And now we have done all the calculation in the beginning, so we can easily write the amount from here. It is 10 lakh. Narration will be being share application money received. Now the second entry will be share application account debit to share capital account.
Yes, sir.
Amount will be same because there is no adjustment in share application. So this is our first entry for share application. Now share allotment. So in share allotment, we pass the journal entry for due share allotment account debit to share capital. Done.
The securities premium
Yes,
and calls in
securities.
advance.
Calls in advance.
So that's in the receipt entry, sir.
Yes. So total amount we need is 25 lakh. Yes,
Yes, sir.
because we will demand 3 rupees on allotment and 2 rupees for premium. So 25 lakh on allotment, and this is divided in 15 lakh for share capital and 10 lakh for securities premium. Now the fourth entry, bank account debit to share allotment. So we will receive full money on share allotment.
No, sir. There's call scenarios.
Yes, there is calls in area and calls in advance. So we are not opening calls in area account, but we have to write calls in advance.
Okay, sir.
It is a liability for us, so it is on the credit side. Generally, if portion do not ask to open calls in area account, then don't open it.
Okay, sir.
So bank account, first of all, we have to see the calculation here. Now it will tell us that how much amount we have received. It is 25,20,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And in that 24,95,000 is our allotment money and 25,000 is calls in advance. So we have received 25,20,000 in this 24,95,000 is allotment because 5,000 we have not received. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And the balance 25,000 is our calls and advance. Now it is easy to write the entry or not after calculation.
It is easy, sir.
Yes, but when we don't do the calculation and we start preparing journal, then we will see that there is some difficulties in calculation because we are not able to calculate properly the amount.
Yes, sir.
Share first call account debit to share capital. So this is our next entry. It will be 5 rupees. So 25 lakh we will demand. But we will not receive full amount. How much money we will receive?
So 24,70,000.
Yes, there is two deduction in this. One calls in advance and the second is calls in area. So we don't have to write calls in area. So we'll just deduct the amount. To share first call. 25 lakh. We have received 24,70,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is this correct? We have not received this also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have to remove it from the total amount. It is not 25 lakh. It is 2495. Actually, I have written it first. That's why it is incorrect. You have to write bank account first because you have calculated the amount 24,70,000 and you have received 25,000 as calls in advance. So total of these two will be written here.
Okay, sir.
So this is our portion for premium, calls in advance and calls in area together. Do you have any doubt or portion?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, is this type of portion was asked in your exam?